everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox account locked. If your Roblox account is locked, stop trying to log in repeatedly. First of all, wait a few minutes, then attempt password reset through the app or website. Complete the identity verification with your email or phone number. Also, after sending the email, if you do not receive the code, go to email. Click the three-line option on the top left corner, scroll down, click on spam, then it might be there sometimes or it might get lost in trash sometimes, so make sure to check them if you haven't gotten it. After that, avoid using VPN or multiple devices during the process. If you can't unlock it yourself, contact Roblox Support with your account details. Once restored, enable two-step verification to prevent future locks, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.